Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this kind of like bronze makeup look. And I created this makeup look with the Belle Cosmetics palette. This palette was very popular on TikTok. I love it. It has so many eyeshadows. It's perfect for whatever you're looking for. And I wanted to create this bronze look for this fall season. So I hope that you really like it. And if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe on the button down below. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. I love this palette because it literally includes every shade that you could need. So I think I'm going to start with this warm colors that are down here. And I'm going to start by taking the shade Crash. That it's kind of like a nude color, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. The good thing about this palette too is that the eyeshadows are so pigmented, so you don't really need to grab that much or go over it that many times because it will have a really good pigmentation. It does have a little fallout, but honestly, like, that's why I do my eyes first and then I go back and clean it up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade Wake Up, which is like this peach shade, and also apply it to my crease and kind of transition these two colors. The only downside of this palette is that it doesn't include a mirror, so I always have to grab a mirror from another palette or bring a small mirror with me. Now I'm gonna apply some of the shade Turn In, which is this brown, light brown eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to clean up my face a little bit before we keep going, so I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar concealer and do that under my eyes. And take a makeup sponge and blend that in. That already like helps a lot, and you can also like clean all of the eyeshadow on this outer corner as well. And I'm also gonna add concealer over here and on this thing. Now I'm gonna go with foundation, and I have a Fenty Beauty foundation on this shade 310. This is one of my favorite go-to foundations I have. And I apply it first on my makeup sponge and then I blend it in. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of setting powder under my eyes and leave that to set in and sink in while we finish the makeup look and do the eyebrows. I'm using the Becca setting powder. This is also one of my favorite products, and it is so easy to work with. I don't want to do a full baking. I just want to avoid any creases that I have, and just I wanted to have it look good and smooth. While that is setting in, I'm gonna take the shade Airplane Mode, which is this black eyeshadow right here, and I'm gonna try to do some cat eyeliner just with the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take this fluffy kind of fat brush and take the shade Nightmare right here and add it kind of to like from the middle to the inner corner of the eye to have some kind of glow in there. I like to apply this by just tapping the brush so that we don't have that much fallout, and it also doesn't look like too much of glitter in the eye. That's why I'm using a brush, so that we don't have that much product in there. Now we can brush all the setting powder out, so I'm gonna grab this brush. For the eyebrows, I'm using the Alley Oop pen paw, and I got this on my BoxyCharm. I love that it has like different functions in here, and then you can just twist it and do your eyebrow. I also like using this Saint Lux brow gel to brush my eyebrows and have all the little hairs looking good and up. And I'm gonna grab my mascara. I'm using the Lash Princess mascara from Essence. This is waterproof and it really gives you like a false eyelash effect. Adds a lot of length and volume. I don't even need falsies after I applied this. I think for my lower lash line, I'm not gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this liquid one from House Laboratories. So I'm gonna take this brush and apply that on my lower lash line. Something like that. It's kind of subtle, I feel like. And for bronzer and highlighter, we're gonna be using the Cheek Parade palette from Benefit, which is one of my favorite bronze palettes. And for lipstick, I'm gonna take this kind of like pinkish matte lipstick from Yuya. And that's about it. I hope that you really like this video. It's a very simple but nice look, and you can use it for whatever you want. If your graduation is coming up, you can throw in this makeup. It's very subtle but very nice, and I love the little glitter that we added on like the inner corner of the eye. So yeah, I hope that you like it, and if you did so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you on more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.